In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress MySQL error step by step. If you're seeing the dreaded error establishing a database connection message on your WordPress site, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's quick to fix once you know exactly what to check. I'll walk you through enabling debug mode, verifying your database credentials, and repairing your database safely. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important security step. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is access your website files. You can do this either through FTP using a tool like FileZilla, or by using your hosting provider's file manager inside cpanel or your hosting dashboard. Once you're connected to your site, navigate to the root directory. This is usually called public_HTML, www, or it may be the main folder where WordPress is installed. Inside that folder, locate the file named wp-config.php. This is one of the most important files in your WordPress installation because it contains your database configuration settings. Right-click and edit the wp-config.php file. Now scroll down until you see the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." Just before that line, we're going to add two new lines of code. Add define, open parentheses, wp-debug, true, close parentheses, semicolon. On the next line, add define, open parentheses, wp-debug display, true, close parentheses, semicolon. Save the file and upload it back to the server if you're using FTP. What this does is enable WordPress debug mode, which will display more detailed error messages. Refresh your website and see if you now get a more specific MySQL error message. This can give you clues about what's going wrong. Next, we need to verify your database credentials. Open the same wp-config.php file and look for the lines that define DB name, DB user, DB password, and DB host. These values must exactly match the database details inside your hosting control panel. Log into your hosting account, go to the MySQL databases section, and confirm the database name. Then check the database user and make sure that user is assigned to the correct database with full privileges. Also confirm the password is correct. Even a small typo here will cause a MySQL connection error. If needed, you can reset the database user password in your hosting panel and then update the DB password value in wp-config.php to match. Save the file again and test your website. In many cases, fixing incorrect credentials immediately resolves the issue. If your credentials are correct and the error still appears, your database may be corrupted. WordPress has a built-in repair tool we can use. Go back to your wp-config.php file and add one more line just above the "That's all, stop editing" line. Add define, open parentheses, wp allow repair, true, close parentheses, semicolon. Save the file. Now open your browser and go to your website.com/wp-admin/maint/repair.php. This will take you to the WordPress database repair page. You'll see two options, Repair Database and Repair and Optimize Database. Click Repair and Optimize Database and let WordPress run the process. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your database. Once the repair is complete, this step is very important. Go back to your wp-config.php file and remove the line that says define wp allow repair true. Leaving this enabled can pose a security risk because anyone could access the repair page without logging in. Save the file after removing the line. Now refresh your website again and check if the error is gone. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix WordPress MySQL error by enabling debug mode, verifying your database credentials, and repairing your database safely. If this tutorial helped you out your site, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.